Hi there, Dory Cox with Lion Real Estate here. We just had the HVAC at our house inspected and serviced today, which is really important for you to do at your own home. About once a year is a good idea, and this is a good time of year to do it because they're not yet crazy busy with air conditioning calls, of course. Also, if you are a buyer, when you get into contract on a house, this is just one of the inspections that you can do to make sure that the HVAC is operating properly. Hope this was helpful. Have a great day. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.